Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to explain to you what our PEAKDEFI Launchpad is, how does it work, what are the advantages for you as an investor, what are the guarantees and securities for you as an investor, and I will show you exactly what you need to do in order to participate and why you should participate rather sooner than later, because we just listed a new sale that we are going to offer to our community. So let's jump into it. First of all, what is the PEAKDEFI Launchpad? The PEAKDEFI Launchpad is a platform where investors can participate and they can actively purchase tokens via private sales, IDO sales, public sales through our platform. And we as a platform are the middleman. So we connect the small investors with the bigger projects who just want to have one point of contact for a certain allocation, and we distribute this allocation to different customers. So if you click on the About page, you can see some information about our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. I think the most important information for you as a customer or as the community is that we have a very, very high quality standards. Our projects go through a 5-stage due diligence before they get listed to ensure that only the best projects on the market get launched on our platform. And it's not even 5-stage due diligence, it's even like more. Like there's a lot of steps involved in order to get listed as a project on our website. Usually it's like 1 out of 40 to 50 projects that's going to get listed. So a project applies on the platform, then we go through a due diligence, and from like 50 projects, maybe like 5 to 10 get on a call with us. And from those 5 to 10, only one project is finally gonna get listed. So we are very, very strict because we do a lot of background checks, like the financial history, the developer history, like all the different information that are available. We even ask for like confidential information from the projects because we just want to make sure that everything that we list is really like checked properly and that you can be sure that you can trust our due diligence process in every single project for every single sale that we offer. So this is what we do. If you check out our completed sales page, you can see that we have done a lot of sales already, and we're going to do more sales very, very soon. So to the question, how does it work exactly? You as an investor need to do 3 steps. First of all, you need to do an allocation staking, then you need to do KYC, then you need to whitelist for the sale. So for the allocation staking, depending on how much you actually stake on the platform, we have different tier levels. So a tier level is our guaranteed allocation separation for the community. Let's say it like this. The more PEAK token you stake on our platform, the higher the allocation that you can purchase at the end of the sale or during the sale. So you can see that we have different tier levels, starting with tier level 0, which is a random selected tier level. So not every participant from tier level 0 can participate in the sales. And you have to you need to stake 1000 PEAK token for that. And then we have the 5 different guaranteed tier levels here. So for tier level 1, you need to stake 10,000 PEAK token, which currently is, I just calculated it, $17.15. So you need to invest at least $20 into PEAK token, stake them on the Launchpad in order to participate at our sales. And then it goes up to the 1 million PEAK token tier level 5 VIP bonus, because here you have the highest allocation, and sometimes we also offer like VIP bonuses, like for example, certain airdrops or maybe even a better price only for our tier level 5. So that's why we call this VIP bonuses as well. So once you have staked your PEAK token, you get automatically into a tier level. And then when the sale starts, according to the tier level, we will distribute the different allocations throughout the system. So how can you stake exactly? You simply click on stake. Here's a warning that you have to use the BNB chain or Binance Smart Chain for that. Okay. And now you will see PEAKDEFI staking version 3 activated, which is a new staking protocol that we had just launched a few days ago. And if you are an old user, you can just click on V2 here, and that will switch to the old staking V2, where you usually can see your old staking if you have staked PEAK token on the Launchpad before. But I will get back to V3 for now. So what we offer is we offer a 10% APY. Meaning if you stake 1000 Peak token on the platform, or not 1000 Peak token, or yeah, if you stake $1,000 in form of Peak token on the platform, you get $100 per year as a reward in form of Peak token. So if you are connected with your MetaMask wallet, it will show your Peak token balance over here. You just slide this to the right or enter the amount of Peak token that you want to stake, click approve, sign the transaction, click submit, sign the transaction. So you have to sign the transaction twice. And after that, your staking will be active. According to the amount of Peak token you're staking here, you will be distributed into the different tier levels. If you want to unstake your Peak token, just slide the bar over here to show how many Peak token you want to unstake. You can either claim your rewards only or unstake Peak token. But if you want to claim your rewards and unstake Peak token at the same time, just push this button here, because once you've staked Peak token, it will show you a penalty fee. Because we have a penalty fee which goes for 8 weeks, like it starts with 30%, every week it gets less, and then it goes down to 0%. So after 8 weeks, you will have 0% penalty for unstaking Peak token. It's also listed down here. What does a penalty fee exactly mean? Because we had people who joined our platform, who staked Peak token, participated in a sale, and after a few days they left our platform. And this is not what we want. We want users to keep participating in the upcoming sales if possible. So that's why we have the 8 weeks penalty fee. Also, it's easier for the smart contract to handle everything. So as you can see, staking is pretty easy. I think there are no questions left. If you do have any questions, just comment below or write in the Telegram group, and I will be happy to answer your questions around staking, but usually it should work without any issues. So after you have done your allocation staking, you need to do KYC. We have a participating KYC partner block pass for that. So we are regulated by the law, or we are required by the law to do a KYC if we sell tokens to you, because the different projects come from different countries. That's why you do the KYC one time with our platform, and then you can participate in all the different projects. So once you've done the KYC, you can whitelist yourself for the upcoming sale. So if I scroll down here, we just added Sugar Kingdom Odyssey here on the platform. We just launched it, I think, like 5-6 hours ago. So if you click on it, you can see all the relevant information. You can see that the whitelisting will start on March 9th at 8 AM CET, and then the whitelisting closes on March 15th, 8 AM CET, and the sale starts like 3 hours later at 11 AM. So if you're going to watch this video tonight or in the next couple of days, you can still stake your Peak token, do the KYC, and subscribe or whitelist to this project. So once you're connected with a wallet which has successfully staked Peak token and done the KYC, there will be a button here like sign up for the whitelist. You click that, sign the transaction, and then your address is listed for the whitelisting. And once the sale starts, you will see your allocation according to your tier level, and then you can purchase the token. But I will show that once the sale is live. I'm going to record a video on how to participate in a sale, like how to actually buy some tokens as well. If you have questions about the project, just let us know. I'm going to record a new video on the weekend where I will do a presentation about this project specifically and why you should participate at the Launchpad sale. But in general, I would say that's about it. The other thing that I can tell you is that if you participate as an investor with one of our projects, and let's say a project, I don't know, does something wrong, and a project, for example, does not launch their token or anything, we guarantee you that you will get your money back. Like, we will refund you the tokens or the USDT that you deposited if you do not receive the tokens from the project. So this is something that you have to keep in mind, because if you just randomly invest in different platforms, maybe you never see the tokens. But here you will get a refund if the project does not fulfill their conditions and if they do not launch their tokens within a certain time. So if you have questions about that, then again, just write it in the comments, let me know. If you have any recommendations, any improvements on the platform, if you have feedback for us, just contact us as well. And if you do have any issues or problems that you are facing, you can also scroll down to support, and then you can fill out the support form and our team will reach out to you. Other than that, I wish you happy days with the new sale that is upcoming, and see you next time. Bye bye.